Hello Lester Middle School Wildcats, and this video is for the week of April 20th to the 25th on how to find your assignments and what they are. So as always, when you come to Schoology, please use this like a checklist. Go here first and check the website for this week's applicable assignments. And we have the 20th through the 24th, and this is 6th grade, so we have A1, B4. We click on the little red apple. So dear students, announcements. I miss you guys, and I miss the physical classroom as well. This will be changed because I'm making the video now. Alright, agenda. Today, in Schoology, we will study vocab words on Quizlet. You can find that in the assignments. You will only see teleschool, so this is where you go. Vocabulary. Collection 6, What Tales Tell. There's your Quizlet there. If you want to meet up with your friends and do a Quizlet, you can. I don't think we can play live, but here are your words. Alright. Read The Black Ships Before Troy, the story of the Iliad, collections, page 313 through 326. So, if you have access to your online textbook, you're welcome to use that. If you don't, I have already anticipated that need, and under texts in teleschools, it's right here. Well, that would be the link to it, but here is the PDF. So you can print it out. This is not the whole book. This is just collection 6. That's where the story is coming from. I know the first one flips upside down. I don't know why, but everything else is right side up. And page numbers are there. Print it out, write on it, highlight it, and etc., etc. Okay. And then lastly, do concepts, myth, legends, and tales. So in teleschool, April 25th. So after you read it, you have the reading comprehension, just the multiple choice, and the concepts that are right here. So a practice and a quiz. So there you have it. Everything is right there in teleschool. The text that you need, the vocabulary cards are already created for you, and then this week's specific assignments. These are true for all of the following assignments. I hope you have a wonderful day.